In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter in this 2007 Nissan Titan. First, there's a check strap over there that you'll need to take off. It just slides out. And then you need to slide out on the glove box there, and that whole glove box will just drop down. And then you have full access to the cabin filter area. Right there is the one bolt that you'll need to take out, 8mm. So you want to take that one bolt out, and once that's removed, you can get access to the cabin filters. Now there's two of them in there, and they come two per pack. And it's a good idea to change these every 15,000 miles or so, because this will cause reduced airflow, odors and things like that. But anyway, you can see I got access to them, and I am way overdue, as you'll see. So you just got to kind of reach in there, grab it. And there's the first one that I'm getting out right there. And you can see all the leaves on it. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. I probably should have changed that a long time ago. Once you get that one out, you can reach in there and grab that other one. They're just side by side. Also, on this, the arrows go down, but that'll be important to note when you're taking yours out, which way the arrows are pointing, because you want to put the new ones in the exact same way. There's also going to be some debris, leaves in there. Be sure and clean that out. Now that I've got them out, I'm going to get the new ones and put them in. And this is a real easy fix. It only takes about 15 minutes. Notice I'm pointing that the arrow is going down. So I'm going to put that first one in. So I've got that one in, and then I'm going to get the second one put in. And if you have odors or poor air quality, foggy windows, weird noises like from them leaves, that could cause some noises. That might be some indications that these needs to be changed. So I got those on. Notice there's some slots up there that fit on top there that hold the top on. And then once you get that top in the slits that I just pointed out, you'll just push down on the bottom where that bolt goes. Once you get it all lined up, you get your bolt. Be very careful getting it in and out. You don't want to drop it down in there. Get it started by hand. And then I usually get the extension and just tighten it by hand, and then you can get your ratchet and finish tightening it up. Basically just reverse everything you did, put the clip in and push the glove box back on. But pretty easy fix. About every 12 to 15,000 miles need to change that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure and leave them below. See you in the next video.